Good day, everybody. This is the Hermit Modeler again, coming at you from the junkyard. And sometimes when you least expect it, you get the biggest brainstorms happening. As you remember, I said that I increased the size of the junkyard from 4 foot by 4 foot to 4 foot by 12 foot. I've now added in more styrofoam sheets at the end here and on down. And before we get to it, we're going to talk about the brainstorm. I had a gas station model that I had built of a childhood memory station. And I made a diorama of that, and then in moving around I had to take the diorama apart. And today I was walking by the buildings from that, and another building that I'd done up for a garage that I had actually done up for photography purposes. And I go, I wonder what would happen if, you know those famous words, what would happen if? Well, this is what would happen if. This I put down at the very far end of the diorama, kind of giving this what I would call a little Route 66 flavor. At the edge of the junkyard and in front of the back of the junkyard a little bit here, we have a little gas station. And let's face it, that's where a lot of those cars for the junkyards come from. Is remember those gas stations where people could hang out, somebody bring in a car that they were having trouble with or just didn't want anymore, and they'd sell it to you cheap. Well, that's kind of what we have going on now. So this is a garage that I had built for photographic purposes, and I will leave this so that it's movable off the layout to set over on a table for when I want to photograph inside. I had this one side open. It's hard to get around here to see, but then I'll leave that one side open. I'll probably go ahead and finish a roof on this then. If I'm going to have it in the diorama, I will finish up the front and the one side of it, at least front, back, and one side, and build up some sort of a fake back for where I photographed from. And then I have the tanks back there, the big regular ones and the little Ethel ones, premium. That's the gas station. When I was a little kid, a young man, anyway, we had a Trax gas station at my hometown, and a bunch of us guys hung out at that, and it just had a lot of memories to it there, a lot of good memories, a lot of cool cars came in there. And so I'm kind of just setting that here at the front of this and giving this a feeling of, like I said, that Route 66 feeling, that old nostalgic feeling. And I thought, that why not? I've got this buildings just left over. They were sitting there doing nothing, and they take up a little space on there. There they are over there. You can see what kind of space they take up. And I just thought that would really add to this and give it more interest. And that was my brainstorm for the day. And this is the Hermit Modeler, thanking you for stopping by. Hopefully this maybe inspired those of you who are working on dioramas, and hopefully those of you who are thinking about dioramas to go ahead and let's do something with those thoughts and actions. And I want to see what you do with them, by the way. So once again, the Hermit Modeler, I'm going to sign off. Y'all take care. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Ring that bell so that you get future episodes. And be sure and tell your friends. I really do appreciate that. And I really appreciate all of you who have subscribed and stopped by to see my work here. And once again, I do it for inspire you, not just to show off, but to inspire you. And y'all take care now. Bye.